everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to send list of emails in Salesforce. So let's begin by understanding what is list of emails in Salesforce. Instead of sending one email to a group of people, a list of emails enable us to send individual email to each one. In Salesforce, a list of emails refers to an email sent to a group of recipients from a list, like a campaign member list or a report. It is a feature used in Salesforce to facilitate email marketing and communication efforts. So let's move and learn to send the list of emails in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, let's move to our Salesforce account. So this is my Salesforce account, and by default it is open in the Lightning edition, and here we are going to learn how to send list emails in Salesforce. So here you can see we are on the home setup page, and under this home setup page the 9 doors are shown. So click on this 9 doors, that's called app launcher. Now you have to select for an object to whom user want to send an email. Either you can select an app from this apps, you can choose an object, or you can directly search for an object name. So we'll show you the steps by choosing an app, then the object. So I search here in the search box by entering sales, and I select this sales app, and it will redirect us to the sales app page. And under the sales app page, on the top there is a navbar present, and on this navbar we can see lots of objects are present. And here I'm going to select this contact object, and it will redirect us to the list of recent view contact only. So I will change this to all contacts by simply clicking on this drop down arrow and select the all contacts. And we can see the list of all contacts shown that I have in my Salesforce account. So you can see that, and you can also see that in the front of the names we have the checkbox. So now click on the checkbox of all contacts to whom you want to send the email, and here I select some of the contacts like this, and then selecting some of the contact, you can see on the top right side a send list email button is present. Sometimes this button is not visible, so you can click on the drop down arrow which is given for the more option when you click on that. But this time we can see our send list email is shown here. So click on it, and it will move to the message page, and you can see that it shows the 7 records of 7 contacts, and select that we are selecting for sending the email. Now I have to fill up the subject. So here I fill subject as a welcome email. So I enter in the subject field as a welcome email. Now you have to add the content for this. So I write hi, and I want to merge the name of the person to whom I am sending the mail. For this I scroll down, and here we can see there is a insert merge field option present. So I click on this insert merge field, and then here I am going to search for the name because I want merge the name, and here is the first name. So I select this first name and click on the insert button, and when we scroll up, here we go, our name is merged. Now I want to print the message welcome to our team. So I write here welcome to our team. With this I have written my message. We have different options. We can change the font also by clicking on this font option. You can see lots of fonts are present. You can click any of the font and your font will be changed. And we can also change the size of this. You can click on the size according to your need, and you can change the size of the text. You can also bold and underline some of the content you want, and you can also give the italic, and you can also add the image, some image you can also attach it. You can also use the built-in point also, bulletin point. You can also use the bulletin point, and here is the option for attach a link, or you can also insert a quick text. And from here, and we can and when we scroll down, there are some option present. From here you can use a built-in template that you can create it. When we click on this, you can see some of the template that you are already created, and you can also use this template, and you can also attach the file. And here you can see, here we have an option of save as a draft. If you want to save this email as a draft, so you can click on it, and you can also have a drop down arrow, and here I get the option send it later, so I click on it. And this send me later option, you can see that if it asks you to choose date and time. Suppose I want to send this email 2 days later, so I select the date 2 days later, and then select the time, and also select the time zone, and then select the save button, and it will save my email. And you can see it will schedule your email for you. And if you want to send not send it later, so you can unschedule it, and you can directly send it by simply clicking on the send button. And you can see the list email was queued, and it will directly send to the contact that you are selected. So with this, we have learned how to send list emails in Salesforce Live. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.